Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe so you don't miss any content in which I post. For everyone, my content is like, I want to put content out in whereby when I started, I wish someone taught me what I'm going to show you guys. Anyway, these are just like this. We're not going to use this for this. So, as you can see, right, I have a table here with multipliers, as you can see. These are not just random multipliers that I generated in my head. These are multipliers that I took from around history from Lotto Star. So what I want to discuss, and I'm sure you're wondering why did I highlight in orange. So why did I highlight in orange is I highlighted every multiplier above 1.30x, okay? So let's get this here. 1.30x is highlighted, okay? So yeah, so apparently according to the round history, we have 26 rounds, correct? Out of 26 rounds, nine rounds, remember, 9 rounds. Let me just do this here. Minus 10. There was 9 rounds below 1.30x. Do you understand? Like 103, 1.14, 1.26 was below 1.30x. It's 9 in total. So if I were to do my calculations correct, right? 26 minus 9 is 17. So 17 times 30. When I'm saying times 30, I'm meaning on the rounds that we're paying, you're cashing out at 1.30x. 1.30x, like you're cashing out there. You know what I mean? Goes on the highlighted ones. So 1.30x, 17 times 30 is obviously going to give you 510. Yes, 510%. It's not 510. If we're working with rands, yes, it's 510 rand, but we're working with percentages now. So if you basically had 200 rand and you followed this strategy, you can use common sense. 200 times 5 equals 1,000. You would have had 1,000 rand by cashing out at 1.30x. If you had, for whatever instance, 1,500 at this specific time day, and you took 1.30x, like for the times that I've mentioned, so it's going to be 1,500 times 5. That would have been your answer. I'm not a calculator in my head, so yeah, you would have had that there. So anyway, let's continue with this video. So what you need to understand, okay, I put this here because I made a mistake, so I covered it up because this was a blue actually. So if you look here, collect. So let's discuss rows individually. Let's start on the far left. So okay, look, I'm putting it like this here, right? I'm putting it like this here. I zoomed in like this here. This one collected, this one paid, it collected, and it paid. So common sense is when you're looking at this round history, 54x speaks high volumes. It paid, it collected, it paid. You check what I'm saying? So what can we expect next? Obviously, it paid 3 times. It has to collect the next. So it did collect the next. So now, if we weren't working with the highlighted figures above 1.30x, from here till here would have been blues. It is blues. It's not would have. It is blues. And people would have came with this thing, okay, it's a bad hour, it's collection. No, you weren't cashing out properly. So since now that we're using the strategy, only 2 were in a collection phase. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so now it played a 3.41x. Apologies for like sniffing. 3.41x. After the 3.41x, it was a 1.26x, right? Then a 1.19x. Okay, so now it played a 1.49x. See these two, below 1.50x, below. So obviously the next one was 1.49, which is telling you the momentum is picking up. The next one has to be above 1.30 as well. It paid 1.98, and if you cashed out, you would have made money. And then you get these rows, like a row like this here is like a paying row, you understand? Let me just unzoom out. Excuse me for sniffing again, I have the flu got me. Paying. You would have made money if you're following what I'm teaching you here. Then you can repeat it like this and like this. So go on, guys. Stop being greedy. When you see low multipliers, do not bet after low multipliers, because low multipliers bring more low multipliers. Take note, 6x is an indicator. When I say indicator, what do I mean? 6x, so let's say you get a 15.44x. Boom, directly after 6x. This 6x is an indicator for 2 blues, right? 2 blues. After these 2 blues or 3 blues, we're going to go straight into a 100x. If you think I'm lying, check for yourselves and make money. Once again, guys, I'm not here to waste anyone's time. You can follow my strategy and make money consistently and daily. Have a good day. I'm signing out.